Join the first Iraqi Breast Cancer Summit. Be part of a landmark event to advance breast cancer care in Iraq. Smart Health Tower proudly hosts the nation's first ever Breast Cancer Summit on September 4th and 5th, 2025 in Sulaymaniyah. This pioneering summit will unite leading medical experts, physicians, and healthcare professionals to foster collaboration, share innovations, and elevate the standards of diagnosis and treatment. The two-day program features expert-led scientific panels and live surgical workshops covering radiology, pathology, surgery, and oncology. This is an essential event for any professional dedicated to fighting breast cancer. Join us to network, learn, and help shape the future of cancer care in Iraq. Event details. Date, September 4 to 5th, 2025. Location, Smart Health Tower, Sulaymaniyah, Iraq. Register now to be part of this transformative medical gathering.
سمارت، نقطة التحول.